Hello everybody and good morning. Let me just update every group so that they get notification that we are live. So hello everybody. Welcome back to the live streaming session. Today we will go again through the whole market. I will do analysis for you. I will show you the daily movement which I am anticipating. We will analyze together. Today I didn't watch the market yet, so we will watch it together. You will see how that works. But first, let me mention about this Aussie Chief that we've been trading it since yesterday. Exactly yesterday in the morning, I was mentioning about Aussie Chief sell setup. I mentioned it, then during the London session it went a little bit higher. So what I have decided, I added a couple more trades. And then the chart went down back to the trend line where I was anticipating it to go. So let's refresh our mind. Let's see what we were talking about yesterday. And this is very important because if you understand this, you can learn a lot. You will be learning. You will get some new experiences. Let me just open the Firefox over there. Yeah, here it is. This was the yesterday. So what I was talking about, let's listen. This was hello everybody and welcome to the live session. Here we are, consistently showing up for the London session and New York session and trading. Yesterday, a lot of drinks. This was the setup that I was showing earlier. This to go all the way to the downside, tagging this trend line. There was as well a bigger structure in the play this 1, 2 and 3 at least, or extension down there. Extension was less likely to happen. It didn't happen, or it still can happen, but we were aiming for this first part of the structure, this tagging the previous bottom. All right, so this is what we were aiming for. And then during the session, what it actually happens was that we were, it went a little bit higher. Let me just check it where it was. It was somewhere there. Yes, there it started to push a little bit higher. Nothing wrong with that. Still has to stay focused. We shouldn't focus on candles, because if I will focus on candles, then I can get myself in trouble. So that's the reason why I stayed focused, positively focused on the setup, on the structure, and after the London session was closed, the streaming was closed, then it starts to drop very nicely. I think by the end it was kind of high. This was the silver as well, yeah. Silver, yeah. I think it was the New York session. New York session started to drop. So amazing setup that we had, and now it's heading to the upside. If you wanted, you can take buy as well. If you wanted, you can take a buy over there as well. This was the buying to the upside, so no more sell stop. We did a great job. We took profits. I can erase now everything from the screen because otherwise it will just distract me. And currently I don't have the setup. It's gone now. This is the 1, 2, 3 very nice wave. If it goes one more leg lower, I have no idea. It can, but mainly I will watch now for buy setups. Buy has much higher possibility, much bigger wave, and we will be holding this trade for longer than we did this sell. All right, so this was the short-term sell, 2 to 3% of profit. That was the maximum we got out. Yesterday I got out at the bottom, exactly at the bottom. I catch good exit. Yeah, that was nice. And price is now heading to the upside. Maybe if we get a flag or a correction or pullback, whatever it will happen, we have to be open to read it properly, and then we will go for this movement. Look at that one. That movement has much longer wave, much bigger money over there. Okay, and we have to be, we will be sticking to it. We will hold it for longer term. This was the short term trade. This is the longer long or buying. It's very long term trade. So let's go from the beginning. Let's go from the start. Yesterday I saw as well the DXY. It's pulling back. I think this is the running flat there in the middle, and we are going for this much upside. There was one confirmation, one pullback, and now it's already heading to the upside. So based on that, there was a nice decent breakout at the evening yesterday, and now it's heading to the upside. It's slowing, it's very slow. It's not moving fast as I anticipated. I anticipated that it will move much faster, but nothing from this momentum currently. It could develop during the day, during the session, or in the New York session, but I'm still watching it as the buy because we are here in this structure and it has to climb up higher, definitely more up. Euro dollar, based on that, there was a nice sell setup as well. If you took this trade, hold it. Okay, so I even believe that this can go all the way back to this trend line. Okay, so much longer move it can appear over there. This could be as well. Here's the running flat in the middle. That can help me to push my price lower. This movement can be very slow, very annoying, and you will need more patience. You will need more patience for this move to the downside. Any upside there, it's not yet. Okay, so don't buy it. No buy currently as it stands right now, especially DXY. DXY, it's not looking like a sell setup. If it drops, I will let it drop. I will let it pull back, and then I will take the sell. Otherwise, I wouldn't take any sell over there. Selling or buying currencies like euro dollar, pound USD, Aussie USD, and New Zealand USD are something that I'm not interested. I will just let it go without me. I don't want to trade a buy over there. This may change, but for now it stays like that. Okay, so no change. No change. pound USD. As well, very complex structure. Not clear structure over there. Structure needs more data. So until we don't have a data, until we don't see something that's confirmed, we cannot trade. So that's the reason why I'm not trading at the pound USD. I will not be trading it over there because it's too messy. I don't like to place my money over there. So taking off this Aussie USD. Still there, yes, I anticipated a deeper pullback. If there will be a deeper pullback, then I will take a sell. But it didn't happen, so I will just take it off. This is not my analysis then. This not making sense, alright, so we'll just leave it. Leave it as it is. I don't know what it's trying to do. I don't recognize the structure currently. Same there, New Zealand USD anticipated a deeper pullback yesterday. And it didn't happen, so nothing. I will still wait. This has to tell me now what is it about to do. Is this going to give me now a bigger correction over there, like 1, 1, 2, 3, and this will be 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so now we can have something like this, and then this may continue its way to downside. If this plays out like that, then I will have a setup. If not, then I will just simply stay away from it. I will not be risking my money over there. It's not something where I will place my money. Just leave it. Leave it as it is, not touching it. But during the day, this can fulfill. This fulfillment and setup creation can appear. This setup can appear over there during the day. USD Chief. It went lower. It's going up now. Very good. It's following it, right? It's following as it should. I'm not interested to buy because I just don't want to buy this one. But this will go. It can still go. There it can be pulled back and you can take the trade. Okay. Very simple. This to continue its way to the upside. Very possible movement over there. USD CAD. I didn't anticipate that this will go lower, but I think this is not the movement. This was like this. This was like that. I think, yeah, this was the searcher. Exactly. But no momentum, you see? Something, it's not that looking great, or I wouldn't trade it. I wouldn't trade it because I don't like to take these slow kind of movements, slow volatility movements. It's too slow, really. I won't chase it. The gold, our famous gold. So what happened? It did exactly the job as we were anticipated. First, on Tuesday, we were anticipated this movement. It happened. Okay. Yesterday, we were anticipated this movement. It happened. Okay. You see, guys, it's playing out very nice and according to the plan. According to the plan, because we are thinking that we have this similar kind of the structure here and here. Okay, so similar readings, similar predictions are at these stops as they are forming right now. I do believe that this is still slow. I don't know why this is still so slow. That should move much faster. Gold shouldn't be moving that slow. But anyway, it's doing its job. So very nice. We were talking as well for the gold yesterday, where it was. Look at that one. First, we were anticipating this movement. It happened during the night yesterday. From the night, yeah, after the New York session, it went lower, and then it went up during the whole night. And today and yesterday, it went for this movement. All right. So what did happen? Let's take a look. It went lower. It went lower as anticipated. So what this structure is saying right now, what this structure is trying to say now, I would not take anything over there if you're having trades from the top. If you're trading it from the top, then great. Okay, so if you're having any trades from there, keep an eye on it and monitor it. If it will try to move up higher, close the break even and then sell again from the top. But I don't think this will happen. I think that this will extend at least back to the trend line, and then we will have a nice leg higher. So how I will trade it? I will not take any action over there. Sales needs to be just monitored. Don't take any profits because this is not profit taking area. But if the price went lower, then we will be trading it. Okay, so price, I do anticipate that the price will go lower, and then I do anticipate we will go for one more leg higher over there. This movement can be tradable easily, but these shells needs to be carefully watched. Okay, watch it, see it, how they will plays out. Very good, right? Money there, and there will be money as well for those who missed it over there. Silver. What the silver did yesterday, right? So forecast was what? There was another one, I think it was in New York session, where I forecasted from there up back at the top and then going down. So it did exactly like that. It went lower, right? It went lower and then it went up higher. So yeah, this was the New York session, and then it went back at the top and then bang, again lower. Very nice. It plays according to the plan. Very nice moves. Works like magic, right? JPY, we say we don't trade it. We won't take any trades over there currently as they are standing right now. No trade for us. I wouldn't take any trade. It's currently not looking great, so I would advise every one of you to just keep it. Skip it. There was a sell stop yesterday that I was mentioning, but I still think that this can go up again. This one can go up. I wouldn't take a sell. This one is just not making any sense currently to drop from the current price, current structure. Maybe this one can go. This one can go. But we need confirmation. We need this to complete itself. Okay, so Cadden maybe will be the sell, but Here is the still not complete structure. We need this, so nothing for now. Maybe later in the New York session we will get this setup. But for now we will just have to let it do whatever it wants to do before we will take into consideration this sell over there. So nothing. Stay away from it for now. Next. Just take it off. This one can as well start with, so don't rather touch it. Don't rather touch it. This one going up perfectly. Now it's building its momentum. It will go, I'm anticipating to tag that high. At least. Okay, but more. I think we will go and go above the top. So this to just crawl up higher. Higher and higher, higher and higher. There was a small setup in the morning today. Yeah. This could still be the setup, yes. Wave to the upside. This target. That much. I think potential is there. Potential is there. Just wait for confirmation. All the chief, wonderful trade, wonderful. Money there, money there. I personally didn't take a buy. I wasn't there, I was sleeping. I said that I will not take that buy. I would skip it. I would rather take a good sleep. And then I will take it. So it's gone for me. Some of my traders took it. I didn't personally, but we'll wait. I will wait now for pullback or anything. Okay, so I still think that there it could be running flat and then going higher, breaking all those tops and go outside of this structure. Okay, so I think we will be leaving this structure. If not, this can go up very, very slow if it will take too long, and if the correction and if the move will be corrective, then I do anticipate another wave to the downside, and then from there will be a very nice wave to the upside. Highly possible movement is this one. Okay, so now to start slowing down, basically to slow down and then going down, and then from there, from those bottoms, we should go to the upside. Okay, so this will give me a perfect setup. I would be then buying it 100%. Okay, so I will load my money over there. But until it does this, I'm not doing anything. I will not be trading it, so we'll wait. We'll wait. EURUSD. This one. I think it can go up. I'm not trading it personally. Is there the buy? Yes, probably it is, but let's see. I don't know yet. I will leave this one. I will not take this one because I also have pound Aussie. Okay, so pound Aussie is what I'm having. This is my trade. If this will not break down aggressively, then I will close those trades and break even, and then I will sell again from the top. But I have to monitor it. Okay, so this is where I have my sells. This is something that we were talking about yesterday as well. This was from the New York session yesterday. Going up there and then down. It's not fast movement. It's not fast. It's taking longer than it should. I will see. Maybe next few hours I will decide if I will manage that to close on break even or I will leave them open. Still waiting. I will not do anything. I will just leave them as they are. I still hope that this will break down. If it not, I have to stick to my rules. I have to act accordingly. But yes, definitely, it's still active and valid setup for break to downside. I think this movement will happen anytime soon, and that's a little bit confusing. Why I'm not taking Euro Aussie buy, because then this is the counter trend trade. Basically, if I'm selling this one, then I will convincing myself that the Euro Aussie will not work, or contrawise. If Euro Aussie buy, if I will take Euro Aussie buy, then by selling pound Aussie, I was saying to myself that one of them will not work. So what could happen literally? One of them will be lost. So I'm reducing my profits, and based on that, I'm taking only one of them. Okay, so I understand the correlation, I understand how they work, so I'm not taking both of them, especially if they are in the another direction. So I cannot, or I should not take Euro Aussie buy and pound Aussie sell. Okay, I will be just talking myself out of the trade, and this is something that I don't want to do. This is really not for me and killing my confidence where it's the most needed. No. If they will go in the profit, one of them will go in the profit. So I rather stick with just only one. Okay, one will give me enough profit. Okay, I will be happy with one setup, one of them to work. I will have enough money, and that's it. EURUSD, this will probably go higher. I don't believe that this is the sell, really. It's going too slow. It's going too slow, so this one to go higher. Back at the top, and then we will watch to sell again from the top. Okay, so this is the area where I will be watching to sell again. Okay, so somewhere there I will watching for price action. I will keep in mind and watch how this will plays out. Pound cat, nothing there. I wouldn't take any trade over there. This can go high, but I don't see longer movement over there. Okay, so what I see over there, I see this and I see this. So that's the reason why I will not take this buy, even if it will appear. I'm not either sell yet. Okay, so I will let this to complete first, let it go up, and then I will start searching for sell stops, sell stops, sell stops. Okay, so this is where I will take sells. I'm not interested for buy because, as I said, their probability, the risk to reward ratio is too bad. I will be risking X amount of money for half of the profit. So in the amount, okay, if we talk, if I'm risking $1,000 will be my stop loss, and my reward, which is the maximum, will be $200 or $500 only. So that's not making sense. I shouldn't take the trades where risk is much bigger than the potential profit is. So this is the reason why I would rather skip it. There are much better setups across the market, or at least I should wait. Okay, if I don't see any better risk to reward ratio setups, then I will wait for one to form, right? So simple. Oops, sorry. Let me just clean that mess. Here in New Zealand, big struggle over there, big struggle. I still see this one as an impulse, as a corrective structure, and then up. It did perfectly, right? In the New York session yesterday, anticipated leg lower. It did what it did. Good job. Now we just have to see what this is about to do. I think that we are going up. But again, I'm not taking it because I'm selling pound Aussie. Maybe pound Aussie will stop there and return to the upside. Very possible. This can just do something like it will either break and I will have the trade, or I will take a break-even trades because it will retrace us back at the top and then it will go lower. Okay, depends now on the price action. There is the exact spot where I have to watch now. If the price is saying that it will reverse or it will continue, this is up to me now. I have to read it properly. I have to read it correctly, and then I will know what the price will do and what I should do based on that information. But for now, I'm still holding it. I'll still hold it. Where we were, your GBP. Okay, so this still there. Nothing. Anticipated wave to the upside. It starts to giving a sell setup. Basically, I didn't take any sell. The correction is getting bigger. I'm not interested in this kind of the movement, so skip it. Pound chief is going up now. I anticipate a drop, pullback, and then going lower. Pullback is happening, but I will see how this will go. I don't like this strongness for sell. Okay, so if this is the sell, I don't like these strong candles. So we'll leave it. Skip it. Skip it for now. Here, chief anticipated a sideways movement. It went lower. It's holding lower. No, I don't know what's going to do right now, so skip it again. There are some setups that we have to skip. Maybe that's just the sell. Let me take everything off. Daily. There is still the buy. It's really confusing structure. I think I would rather leave it alone. I wouldn't touch it. I will let the market give me more data over there. When the chart is not giving me enough data that I can read it correctly, that I can read it properly, I don't touch it until it gives me enough data, enough clear picture so that I can recognize it. Okay. Let it go up, don't trade it, and then we will decide. UK oil. Well, what this one is trying to do. Confirmation, we are selling, right? Simple. Simple. Correction can be very big, probably. Something like this and go down. Waiting for the setup over there. It could go, but it needs more time. US oil the same way. Very good forecasts. Yesterday we were mentioning these, both of them. The oil and the UK oil. Both of them, and they are following, I'm still saying, in the same direction. Just waiting for the price, for the setup to confirm. No chasing. I wouldn't chase it over there. US 500, I took a loss there. I have one stop loss over there. Let me take that off. This can go for one more leg higher. This is separated. This to go up, probably. Still up. If this pulls back, you can take a buy. Back at the top again. Yeah. Buy, but I will not yet trade it. We'll see how it plays out. This one is for sell, active. Same there, buy. This move still can happen because this is expanded flat. And expanded flats tends to go lower. Taking this low. I think first it will go down and then the chart will go up. Next, this one is going already higher. Yes, this one definitely will go higher. And then price action over there and then going lower. I think we cannot buy this one. There isn't any buy setup yet. UK 100. This move to appear anytime soon. This will happen. This pullback, it's about to appear. Let's wait and see. No setup currently. Do you remember this one, guys? Down, you're forecasting this movement, and now breaking this since yesterday. We said it will either go up, you have no setup. If it breaks down, you can have a setup. It went lower, but it's not going as it should go. Very slow movement, and I don't know what it's trying to do right now. This move can still happen, but let it take off. It's not yet there, so I think we will still go lower. You will see. It's currently dipping lower. You see? Yesterday, watching pullback, it happened. Simple. What's going to do right now? Probably struggle there, giving you a bit bigger correction. Going up, tag the top, going lower, tagging the low. This will give you 1, 2, 3, and then to go higher. And then from there, we will watch the price action, and then we will take a sell. Simple. Also New Zealand going back at the top. I think again we will go down. This one will again go lower. There's still missing part of the structure. Don't sell it. Don't try to sell it. Wait for the buy. That's not a sell stop. Let it drop. Let it give you the price action and then buy. This is for you guys. This is the longer movement. This is what you have to aim for. Look at that one. Don't focus on this small movement. Focus on these huge movement. This is how you can make money trading. If you will be focusing on small movement, you cannot cover anything. But if you focus on big movements, you will become much more successful, because what it will happen, when you lose, you lose. But when you will win so much that those losses will not be even visible. And this is why you have to focus on big movement. That's the main thing you have to focus on. The only thing in trading that you have to focus on. If you will be trading small, if you will be trading like everyone does, then you will be like everyone is. Alright? And how is everyone? Everyone, statistics are saying that 95% of traders are not profitable. They are struggling. They are not making for a living. So, if you will think like they do, if you will be doing the stuff they are doing, you won't become profitable. You will be the 95% of traders who are not profitable. So make sure on which side you are. Act against what they are doing. So if everyone is trading based on indicators, don't use indicators, because mass majority of people are losing money. They are not consistently profitable, and they are using indicators. So to become profitable, you shouldn't use indicators. That's the first step to becoming a professional full-time trader. And then just work your way up. You will learn by the experience. Okay, so that's it. This is it. What is for London session. This one will probably go and going down in the headache. It will not be any fast movement over there. No fast movement over there. But at least it's moving. This one may give the slightest pullback, and then the sell may appear. This one is good one actually. This is the good setup. If you're taking this one, aim for previous top. Previous top should be your target. Yeah, this is a good setup. Okay. Oh, this one's trying to do something. Let's see. If my friend breaks down, then great. I will make some profit on pound Aussie. This is interesting spot now. This spot where I have to watch now. Okay, so I think this is everything for this session. We went through all of the pairs, and I will end the session over there, and I will come back for the New York session, maybe a little bit earlier than New York session, but around the New York session I will be live again. I will post the link in the Discord, and I will post the link as well in the Instagram channel, probably, because some people are not having a Discord, so I will try to start posting on Instagram as well, in Instagram channel. Okay, so that's it. Take care, and